Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set practice reminders in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Duolingo app. And here it opens up in the home menu, where we have our course. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then in the top right corner, tap on the cog icon, scroll down. And here under notifications, we have practice reminder. If we tap on this, we can select whether we want to have phone, email, like this, we have none. So we can turn practice reminders off. If we tap on the phone, we can turn practice reminders on, so we receive it on our phone. And if we tap on the letter icon, it's going to enable it on our email address as well. So here we can set how we receive practice reminders. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.